delve into the realm of cutting-edge technology as we explore the OnePlus Ace 2V, a formidable contender in the mid-range smartphone market. With apologies for keeping you waiting, let's embark on a journey through its features and capabilities. Sporting the power of 5G technology, this device builds upon the foundations laid by OnePlus mid-range lineup. Now, let's address a key factor: the chipset. While not fresh off the press, this processor made its debut last year. However, rest assured, its performance prowess prevails, surpassing the Dimensity 8100 with ease. Rigorous testing by renowned experts at channels like In a While and Geek Era showcase its dominance, outclassing even the Dimensity 9000 in critical benchmarks. Speaking of benchmarks, brace yourselves for the numbers. Achieving scores ranging from 900,000 to a staggering 1 million and beyond. The OnePlus Ace 2V carves its name in both the mid-range and flagship echelons. All this, while being priced between 20,000 to 22,000 pesos. Details and purchase options can be found in the description box below. For those inquiring about its origin, the OnePlus Ace 2V makes its journey from China to the Philippines, unlocking a realm of possibilities. While extra fees might apply, you're in control of customizations. Keep in mind that personal requests entail additional costs. Nevertheless, this tech marvel has yet to be personally experienced, hence service center observations remain pending. Now, let's talk power. A device that handles your daily tasks with grace and takes on hardcore gaming with finesse. Surprisingly, gaming on the OnePlus Ace 2V has delighted enthusiasts, with titles like La Luna and Impact running smoothly. And as an assurance, I can confidently say that performance issues won't rear their heads. Visual nirvana is another hallmark, thanks to its AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Lush colors, deep contrasts, and infinite blacks await your gaze. Stepping up from an IPS LCD to an AMOLED is a leap of splendor. However, it's essential to note that HDR10+ certification isn't in the package. Diving into the camera department, the OnePlus Ace 2V utilizes the Omnivision OV64B sensor, distinguishing itself from its predecessor's Sony IMX766. As daylight graces your shots, expect vivid images capturing the world's colors in their truest forms. However, in some scenarios, clarity and sharpness might fall short. Switching to video mode, the narrative takes a turn. While the rear camera performs admirably, the selfie camera, unfortunately, struggles with stability, offering subpar quality. Yet, in the pursuit of superior videos, the assistance of a gimbal can be your ally. When it comes to charging, the OnePlus Ace 2V takes a step back from its predecessor's 150W speed, offering 80W instead. A slight increment in battery capacity accompanies this shift. While not vastly different from the OnePlus Ace's 4,500 mAh, it's important to remember that charging speed does carry an impact. To address a noteworthy aspect, the OnePlus Ace 2V screen protection differs from the previous model's Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This alteration, while impactful, doesn't diminish the phone's overall charm. A moment for our Filipino audience, the OnePlus Ace 2V has made landfall. However, unlocking may be necessary, adding a layer of complexity to its acquisition. For those intrigued by the difference between Color OS and Oxygen OS, smoothness in the latter takes center stage. Transitioning from Netflix to streaming platforms, brace yourselves for some alterations in your viewing experience. Alas, for those yearning for full HD and HDR10+ on Netflix, temper your expectations. The OnePlus Ace 2V's capabilities in this realm might not align with your desires. While the device allows expandable memory and retains the cherished headphone jack, the alert slider makes a triumphant return. In a nutshell, could the OnePlus Ace 2V be the heir to its predecessor's throne? While it might not fully replace the OnePlus Ace, it definitely poses as a front-runner in the mid-range domain. A balance between performance and price renders it an excellent proposition. Music swells. As we draw this exploration to a close, remember, with a price tag of 22,000 pesos, the OnePlus Ace 2V stands tall as a compelling alternative to its competitors. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the OnePlus Ace